Oh hey, so recently I was scrolling through my Google home feed and I found an awesome app for you all. If you are a Pubg emulator player, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. So recently I found an awesome thing, and if you are a Pubg Mobile lover and you like to experience Pubg Mobile on your PC and you are not able to get the maximum amount of FPS out of it, then this video is for you all. Also, if you would like to experience some sort of Android on your laptop or computer, then this video is also for you all. So watch this video till the end, and so let's move on to the video. So first you need to open up your regular browser that you use. It can be Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, anything. So after opening your regular browser, in my case it's Chrome, you need to search Phoenix OS. Okay, Phoenix OS. You can see the spelling, and you need to click on the very first link that will appear after you search it. It's named the Phoenix OS for x86 Phoenix OS. You need to click on it, and then you need to install it based on what Android version do you want. If you want Android 5.1, which is Lollipop, then you can install it. There is option for Windows as well as Mac, so you can install it from here. And if you want Android Nougat, then you can install it from here. You need to click on this mega icon, and if you want to install it on Mac, then you can click on this icon. So we need to install it for Windows, so we need to click it here. So then the installation process will be a bit long, not too much long. If you have a good Wi-Fi connection, it will hardly take 10 to 20 minutes. It's about 663 MB. So let's download it. So as you can see, I have successfully installed it, and after installing, this menu will appear. So you need to decide where you want to save it. In my case, I'm gonna save it up here, and so save it as all files. Okay, so I have successfully done it. So after you have done with it, you need to close Chrome and go to the location where you have saved your file. In my case, I did it in Pubg. So you need to click on this Phoenix OS installer, and then this menu is gonna appear, I guess. So it will ask for this permission. You need to click on yes, and then you need to click on install. Also, if you want to save it in a pen drive, you can click on make disk, or if you want to uninstall after you have installed it, then you can click up here. So let's click on install, and let's see where you're gonna save it. I'm gonna save it in D drive because I don't want to mess up my C drive. So let's go. So then it will ask for how much GB you want to spend on it. If you click on 32 GB, then it will have 32 GB internal storage. So this is absolutely your wish. I will click on 16 GB as I don't have very much full storage. So install, then the installation will start. So wait for it. I'm gonna speed up the video or cut the clip now. So as you guys can see, it is successfully installed. It will ask you to reboot now or remind me later. So it is definitely your wish. I will click on reboot now. Okay. You're about to be signed out. So the computer will restart, and it will start with Phoenix OS. So let's see. So as you guys can see, the OS has started, and the sensitivity is a bit high of the mouse. So we're gonna select the language, of course English, and I don't understand Japanese. So then you need to accept to the user license agreement and all. You should read it, as it is our duty to read it, but I will not read, I'm sorry. So then it will connect to the Wi-Fi network. So I've entered my password, and let's click on connect. So it has successfully connected. Now let's click on next. I'm gonna give it the Tech Geek. Okay. So it is about to boot up. Phoenix OS VIP. You're using the free version. So I'm currently using the free version. If you want to subscribe to it, then you can do it. So let's check it out. So this is the final OS. As you can see, you can change the wallpaper, and it is kind of like Android. So it has the official Play Store, and you can install apps from Play Store. Let me sign in and show you, and then install PUBG Mobile on it. This video is getting a bit long, so stay tuned. So Play Store is up here, and you can install any app you would like. So I think many of the apps do not work here, so I'm going to click on PUBG and install it, and let's install and play it a little bit. So as you guys can see, I have successfully installed PUBG Mobile in it. So let me show you some of the gameplays, and you're gonna get definitely a much better performance than the official emulator, that is the Tencent Gaming Buddy. So before sharing the gameplays, let me tell you the configuration of this laptop. It is the Lenovo IdeaPad 310. It is powered by the Intel Core i3 6th generation, and it does not have any graphics card, so it does not perform very well. But let's check its performance on this Phoenix OS or emulator. So let me show you some of the gameplays. So as you guys can see, I've successfully logged in, and by default it is recommending me high settings on it, so it is definitely gonna be interesting. Okay, so let's play something and let me show you. Okay, let me check out the graphics settings. Okay, by default it is an HD and high, but you can switch to ultra and HDR settings, so that is definitely awesome. Okay, I'm gonna select realistic. Okay, let's play and let me show you. Okay, game is on. Let's play. So you need to click on the tab button to disable this cursor, and you need to move it out. By default it is in low sensitivity, so you need to bump up your sensitivity a little bit so that you can play perfectly. There are some settings that you need to change, as you can see the sensitivity, but it is absolutely definitely a good experience. It is running on HDR and ultra settings. So you guys must be wondering, what are these? So these are the controls so that you can control it better. But if you don't like such messy screen, then you can go click on this awkward creature, and then click on this settings button and make it hidden. So that was about the video. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Geek and share this video amongst your friends so that they can also play PUBG Mobile with a great experience. So till the next video, this is Pathway bidding goodbye, and till the next video, keep sharing, keep supporting.